our open air refrigerator. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60¼ inches, a depth of 28½ inches, and the overall height of 80 inches tall. Included will be 4 adjustable glass shelves. Each shelf can be adjusted to the height of your preference. The measurements for each shelf will include 12¼ inches depth, by 53½ inches in length. Coming to the bottom will be additional area for storage, and this area will measure 56 inches in length by 17 inches in depth. Curtains located on the left and right side, so whenever the open air case is not in operation, the curtains will serve their purpose. LED strip located on the ceiling of the open air case, so with the light feature turned on, the products will be displayed with the LED light feature. Coming to the bottom will be a cover with the power switch along with the temperature control. Will be a 220 voltage plug. Located on the bottom right will be the ETL NSF certification along with the technical specifications for this open air. For all questions and concerns, please give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.